All right, so we're gonna put the ProClips clip on to Storm today. It comes with the holder. It also comes with the base, and it comes with 4 screws for it. You take the 4 screws, you take the base off the back with the screw in the middle, unscrew the screw in the middle, take the base off, put the 4 screws in, and then what you'll do is the clip has 2 things of tape, one at the bottom, one at the top here, the top lip here. Let me get a better picture there. All right, new camera woman, give her time. Okay, now what you'll do is you sit it here. What I did was did about 1 finger length, just so if you need access to the controls in the back, you wouldn't have a problem. When you take the tape off, you'll put it on here, and then it clips right down there at the bottom. And then once you do that, it'll hold on to it. Then all you'll have to do is take the base. Now you'll need to look at the 2 screws here in the middle. 1, 2. You'll loosen those screws, and then you'll take your phone and you'll put your phone in there so that you can figure out how wide it needs to be. This is an iPhone R, the 10R. So, and it's got a basic case on it, so this is plenty wide for that. So what you're gonna do is with that middle screw, you'll put the base back on there, screw it down, and then your phone sits right there.
Voila, Storm's ready.
And it's just that simple.